dance in front of me. Fell in love, now I don't know what's become of me. Infatuated by your touch when you comfort me, and the shooter to my heart when you comfort me. Got adrenaline, feeling like I'm running free. When you're not around, the loneliness is numbing me. Every time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to do an Easter Day makeup look just because I felt like I have done Coachella for the past 2 years and I haven't done an Easter Day makeup look. So I decided to create this. You can only see the flowers here, but I'm also wearing my little bunny ears. The pastel colors of coral, pink, and yellow at the top. And I decided to keep the eyes with like the pink, purple, blue, and then like a green blue color. And I decided to add these little jewels to make it look like the Easter eggs. I hope you guys like it. I know it's a cut crease, but it's a different kind of cut crease. I also decided to pair it with a lime crime lipstick just because it kind of has that same vibe going on from the eyes. Also, if you didn't know that I was absent last week, I've been on a rough patch lately. I scratched my under eye. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there it is. That line right there is the scar. I have a few scars over here, one here and one here, but you can barely see them. I think if I do a close-up you will be able to see it, and another one right here, which you can barely see it, but it kind of sucked because it looked really bad. Now it doesn't look as bad as it was. It's just now I have a scar. And yeah, I came up with this. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up. I do not talk through this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!